right back. She's still washing her chicken.
As you can see, and Hamza wash it really good.
Yep.
Make sure the seeds is out. How the smell is out.
No smelly chicken. Well, you shouldn't be cooking smelly chicken anyway, but
right.
This is just to freshen the chicken up. It's like you're giving the chicken a bath almost, I guess.
Okay, I'm all done. I'm
yeah, right here.
Joining it. And after it's all done wash, you use a paper towel.
The camera's here.
To dry the chicken.
Yes.
Make sure it's all.
The camera is here. So when you look at my arm. Don't look over there. Look over here. Hello.
Make sure it's all dried up.
Okay. Here you go.
And I'm gonna to take the old glove off.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use a new glove.
Okay. That chicken looks so good right now.
And after that,
It's a seasoning.
and I'm gonna use
Seasoned with sazon.
Sazon. And I'm gonna use adobo.
Okay. Adobo.
Right. And I'm gonna use
A little bit of seasoned salt.
Sazon salt.
Not too much, guys.
No.
Just a little bit. You don't want to heavily. You don't want your chicken too salty.
Right.
And give you high blood pressure.
Right. And then I'm gonna
Use a little bit of parsley flakes.
Parsley.
That looks very good.
Okay. And I'm gonna blend some garlic and chopped onion.
Okay.
We go in here.
Okay. Keep going.
And then
Okay.
add just a little bit of powder.
Okay.
Right here. And then blend it.
So this is like a sauce.
No,
This would be like a sauce that you can pour over it while you fry it.
no.
No. Okay.
It's
All right.
like a seasoning base.
Okay.
I don't have no onion
Okay.
powder.
All right.
So
Okay. Well, Stephanie's kitchen is on the money right now. She just made a way to make some paste.
and then just
Add that
add it
there.
in here.
Whoa, that chicken gonna be nice and crunchy.
And then
You put
add
eggs.
2 or 3 eggs in it.
Eggs.
2 and 3 eggs.
Beat the eggs like so.
Right. And then he go in here.
Okay.
And after
Now y'all see how she mixed the eggs.
You put
All the
your
ingredients.
right. Or just mix everything
together.
up.
Oh, it's looking nice and thick. So that's gonna give it a nice what?
Crust
Okay.
and extra crispy.
Okay.
So if you don't add eggs, it won't be
Crispy.
crispy as you
Well, like, okay.
like it.
All right.
Okay.
Yep. I got it.
And after it's all done, you come over here and have
Your oil, you use vegetable oil.
in your pot, and to turn it on low.
Okay, because you got to get that grease hot.
Right, extra hot.
Okay.
And then have your flour.
Okay. Flour.
I'll add it in here.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, you fry it.
And you just fry it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be back to show you how it look when she start frying. We'll be back. Ah.